Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss extra questions of chapter 4, separation of substance. First question: Aman bought some vegetables such as French beans, lady's finger, green chilies, brinjals and potatoes, all mixed in a bag. Which of the following methods of separation would be most appropriate for him to separate them? Options are threshing, hand picking, winnowing and sieving. Which one is the right option? Right answer is hand picking. By hand picking method, Aman can easily separate all the vegetables. Now next question. Suman's grandmother is suffering from diabetes. Her doctor advised her to take lassi with less fat content. Which of the following methods would be most appropriate for Suman to prepare it? Options are churning, decantation, filtration and winnowing. Which one is right answer? Right answer is churning. Churning is the method by which Suman can easily prepare lassi for her grandmother. Next question. Which of the following mixtures would you be able to separate using the methods of filtration? Options are oil in water, sugar in milk, cornflakes in milk, salt in water. Which one is right? Right answer is cornflakes in milk. By filtration method, we can separate cornflakes in milk. Next question. Which amongst the following methods would be most appropriate to separate grains from bundles of stalks? Options are winnowing, hand picking, sieving and threshing. Which one is right? Right answer is threshing. Threshing is the right option. Next question. 4 mixtures are given below: kidney beans and chickpeas, pulse and rice, rice flakes and corn, potato wafers and biscuits. Which of these can be separated by the method of winnowing? Options are third and fourth, first and third, second and third, first and second. Which one should be the right answer? Right answer is third option and fourth option can be separated by winnowing: rice flakes and corn and potato wafers and biscuits. Next question. While preparing chapatis, Suman found that the flour to be used was mixed with wheat grain. Which out of the following is the most suitable method to separate the grain from the flour? Options are threshing, sieving, winnowing and filtration. Which one is right? Right answer is sieving. Sieving is the right option. Next question. In an activity, a teacher dissolved a small amount of solid copper sulfate in a tumbler half filled with water. Which method would you use to get back solid copper sulfate from the solution? Options are decantation, evaporation, filtration, sedimentation. Which one is right? Right answer is evaporation. Evaporation is the right option. Next question. During summer, Aman carries water in a transparent plastic bottle to his school. One day he left his bottle in the school. The bottle still had some water left in it. The following day, he observed some water droplets on the inner surface of the empty portion of the bottle. These droplets of water were formed due to evaporation and condensation, boiling and condensation, evaporation and saturation, condensation and filtration. Which should be the right answer? Right answer is evaporation and condensation. Next question. Suman asked for a glass of water from Aman. He have a glass of ice cold water. Suman observed some water droplets on the outer surface of the glass and asked Aman how these droplets of water were formed. Which of the following should be Aman's answer? Evaporation of atmospheric water vapor, condensation of atmospheric water vapor, evaporation of water from the glass, water that seeped out from the glass. Right answer is condensation of atmospheric water vapors. Now next question. Chalk powder suspension in water can be separated by dash. Options are evaporation, filtration, condensation and decantation. Which one is right? Right answer is filtration. By filtration method, we can separate chalk powder suspension in water. Okay. So that's all today. Thank you. Have a nice day.